Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting straight to the required items and location. Go to the main hub or title screen. Once there, check your inventory for a change token or enough in-game currency. Make sure your account level meets the minimum requirement and export or screenshot your current build so you can restore gear and skills. Once done, open the character menu immediately and choose the Change Character option. This begins the actual replacement flow rather than waiting around in menus. Now perform the middle steps with care. Select Change Character and pick the template you want. You will be prompted to spend the change token or currency. Approve that cost and then choose race, class, and appearance options. Make deliberate choices for abilities because some skills may require reallocation. After confirming, the system applies the new character. Make sure to re-equip weapons and cosmetics and restore any saved loadouts. If you need a respec, do it here rather than later to avoid wasted resources. Finish by verifying and stabilizing the change. Confirm the save prompt and then log out and back in so the server and client sync. Check your inventory to ensure weapons, skills, cosmetics, and currency balances updated correctly, and reapply any missing pieces from your backups. If something goes wrong, missing items, wrong appearance, or a failed save, clear your cache, restart the game, and try again. If the issue persists, capture screenshots and contact support with timestamps and account details for a prompt resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.